M0FXB, RT Systems, and the ICOM IC9700. We've got a fresh page here. Let's have a look. So at the bottom here, we've got VHF, UHF, 1200 megahertz, scan limits, memory, pad memories, that's your quick memories, DR mode, which is extensive and where you're able to bring in your CSV files, core channel presets, satellite mode, and GPS memories. So let's stay on VHF for the moment and bring in some VHF memories. Now the quickest way to do this, if you've got nothing, is to go File at the top here, External Data, and go across down to Repeater Book Search. And here we are. Okay, now I'm not going to add Dstar at the moment. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. 2 meters FM, and then we put in our location here. And RT Systems will remember your location, 50 miles or kilometers, right? And I'm going to click OK, and it creates a new list for us, okay? And look at that, straight away we've got 21 memories that we can add to our first tab. Okay, the first tab is the one that you send to the radio. So we're going to select all, and you can, down here, you can just, if there's items to select, you can, but we haven't got anything because we've only done 2 meters. And this is different than the 705 and the 7300, and it does tick slightly differently with the 9700. So I'm going to go select all, like so, copy, go to the first tab, click number 1, right click and paste. And it's put them in there. Now remember, we didn't have to start at number 1. If there was already some memory channels there, we just click at the bottom. Okay, so we can send that to our radio if we want, but let's just do another couple of bits before we do that. So we'll go to Dstar here. Okay, and we'll go to the middle one, Dstar settings. That's the middle one here. Let's come off this page a minute. There you go, Dstar settings. And I'm going to get my call sign in there. So I'm going to go M0FXB. Okay. And that'll be our main course. Click OK. Actually, I just realized that in this section, we can actually put a TX message. So we can just go M0FXB Hamtech. There's a TX message as well. We put in there. Click OK. And then I'm going to turn that to number 1. Click OK. So now I'm going to go to Dstar calculator. I'm going to just choose, I'm in the UK, United Kingdom. There's a couple of repeaters there available. Then I'm going to choose, say, reflector 1 Charlie and reflector, where's 30? 30 Charlie, which is what we use a lot here. Okay, and I'm going to click apply, and look what it's done. Whoa. And if we look here on the left for my hotspot, which is right, and I'm going to tell it to complete repeater 1 and 2, it puts everything in there for us as well. So I'm just going to apply that and then close. So now we've got everything set up for us here. Look here, all the different repeaters are there setting up. So as we go through the channels, and see here it says 1456875. That's the nearest repeater to me for using Dstar. We've got the first, channels here that we've programmed just for our local FM analog repeaters. Let's go across to UHF. Let's do some more searching. There's already some in here. Look, that's the where you just saw me add my hotspot. So I can now get my hotspot, and if we look here, let's have a look where it's connecting to M0FXB CQ. Everything's in there. Talk channel echo. So that's just gone in without me even doing anything. Let's click at the bottom here, number 6. Then we're going to go File, External Data, Repeater Book. But this time, we're going to go for 70 SEMS. We're going to untick everything. It's 70 SEMS. We're only going to do FM analog, 50 miles. Click OK. And it's going to find, look, it's found all these here. So we're going to select all, right click, copy. Go back to the tab underneath channel 5. We're going to click it, right click, paste. Okay, so we've now got some UHF, VHF memories in there. Scan list, I never used scan list before, but it's got one there, so I can't really do much on that until I learn it. Memory pad, we're going to do that when we were using the radio. DR mode is already preset there for you. Now, of course, you can bring in file, and you can import files. Now, the place you get files from, if you want to do this, is this place here called dstarinfo.com, and this is the latest one. So we put here 9700, and we enter. I'm going to put in a rough location 52. Let's see if they fixed the lookup location one, because that was broken. Not sure if they have. Let's go 52 and see if it will go in this way, -2, and then let's go look up. Oh no, that has worked. That's excellent. And yeah, that's very near me. I'm IO81 actually, so if I go 2.9, let's try that. 82, right, okay. That's working really well actually. Then we hit download and we get a CSV file here that we can now import into our repeater list. Go back to RT Systems. Let's have a quick look here at Dstar. This time we're going to go to Dstar columns, and you get this. And we're on, that's UHF. Sorry, that's VHF, UHF here. And further across, we're not doing 1200 because well, I do actually have a 1200 megahertz antenna. Let's look at the settings page because that is vast. So radio menu settings. Let's have a look. So you've got common 1, CW normal side. Okay. English full keyboard. AFC. I mean, some of this stuff I don't even recognize what it is. But anyway, display type A or B. That's black or blue. Display language, backlight brightness, TX meter, SWR, ALC comp ETZ, position, quick split, split lock. I mean, it's a lot, isn't there? Tuning steps, scan speeds, beep level, band settings, high and low, tone control. There's your DVDR mode. So GPS data speed, DV fast data. It's an advanced radio. Speech, this radio, I'm pretty sure talks to you. GPS, you can use an external GPS. Nowadays, ICOM made an app that you just plug in. I'm sure you can connect it to this device. I'll check, and it almost acts like a GPS receiver for you. So you get the GPS off your phone, connected to the 9700. It does it with my 7100, and it gets the GPS position from that. So you're adding GPS, but otherwise you can go manual and then you put in your location, as you can see. I'm going to put yes on that. Window and help. There's loads of help. Check for updates as well. Read and write to the radio. You can use your SD card, which I'll do that in a separate video as I learn. So hopefully that's going to help you. And then when you're done, you just read or write to the radio. And that's it. Hope this helps. Remember, I'm learning. It's fantastic radio. There's nothing like it really on the market that is advanced that does 100 watts. You've got the FTX one, I suppose. That's probably the nearest thing. But then again, no, it's not, because the FTX one, which I have got, is HF bands as well. This is very, very dedicated to the 2 meters 70 and 23 centimeter enthusiasts. Satellite, you've got an SD card there plugging into it as well, and you've got that Ethernet connection, which does open up possibilities. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Catch you on air. Bye for now.